Introducing the 2012 Holden Commodore SV6. The Commodore is a rear-wheel drive 4-door sedan with 5 seats, powered by a 3.6-litre naturally aspirated V6 engine that has 210 kilowatts of power and 350 Newton-meters of torque via a 6-speed automatic transmission. Holden claims the Commodore uses 10.1-litre per 100 kilometers of unleaded petrol in the combined city and highway cycle, while putting out 241 grams of CO2. It has a 71-litre fuel tank, meaning it should be able to travel 703 kilometers per full tank. The Commodore has 2,100 kilograms braked and 750 kilograms unbraked towing capacity. The Commodore has received a 5-star rating from ANCAP and comes equipped with 6 airbags. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found our video informative. We offer same-day finance approval and extended warranty options. We also offer contactless purchasing. We provide Australia-wide delivery too. If you have any inquiry, please do give us a call, and one of our representatives will be able to answer any of your queries. We look forward to hear from you soon. The information in this video is considered to be true and correct at the date of publication.